Hello everyone, my name is Valerie Moreno, and today I will be talking about Chapter 7.5, Skeletal Organization, but more specifically I will be distinguishing between the axial and appendicular skeletons and naming the major parts of each one. So first I'm going to begin by kind of going over the skeletal organization in the adult human body. So, about how many bones are in an adult skeleton? There are about 206 bones in the average adult skeleton. Some people have extra bones while others lack certain bones. Examples of extra bones that some people have would be sutural, wormian bones in sutures between major skull bones, and small sesamoid bones and tendons to reduce friction. To the right of the slide, I have provided an example of some of those extra bones I just listed, just so that you can get a better view of what they might look like. So this is an example of the skeletal system in an adult human body. And the bones in the skeletal system are divided into two separate categories based off anatomical position and the main function that they have in the body. The two categories that they can be classified as are appendicular or axial. We will learn how to distinguish the difference between the two in the next two slides. So first, I'm going to explain the axial skeleton. The axial skeleton includes all the bones along the body's long axis. The bones in the axial skeleton can be divided into 5 major categories. The 5 categories are 1. The skull, which contains 22 bones, 2. Middle ear bones, which contains 6 bones, 3. Hyoid, which contains 1 bone. 4 would be the vertebral column, which contains 26 bones. And the 5th category is the thoracic cage, which contains 25 bones. So in total, the axial skeleton is made up of 80 bones in our human body. The function of the axial skeleton is to provide protection and support for the internal vital organs of the human body, such as containing the rib cage to protect the lungs and the heart. So next, I'm going to explain about the appendicular skeletal system. The appendicular skeleton includes all the bones that form the upper and lower limbs in the human body, along with the shoulder and pelvic girdles. The bones in the appendicular skeleton can be divided into 4 major categories. So one of the categories is pectoral girdle, which contains 4 bones. Then upper limbs, which contain 60 bones. The third is pelvic girdle, which contains 2 bones. And the fourth is lower limbs, which contains 60 bones. So in total, the appendicular skeleton contains 126 bones of the human body. The appendicular skeleton allows for movement and is what skeletal muscle attaches itself to. These are the bones that make up the arms, legs, hips, and shoulders.